عيد الفطر and عيد الأضحى, عيد الأضحى وعيد الفطر. Today we'll learn about two special Muslim celebrations, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. اليوم سنتعرف على عيدين مميزين عند المسلمين، عيد الفطر وعيد الأضحى.
Go to mosque.
Eid, prayer and communal prayer. Wear new clothes. Donations. Money giveaway or give children money.
Gather with family for a meal.
Visit friends or visit relatives. Culinary cookies. Eat special food.
The Great Feast.
Pilgrimage. Circling of. Throwing of the pebbles. Pilgrim. Seek forgiveness. Apostate. Believer. Exchange, duas, and congratulate others. Miracles. Meat of sacrifice. To skin. Ritual of slaughter. Immolation. Well of Zamzam.
Self-discipline. White attire.